Joe Follico again for Insignia Futures and Options. This is part 6 of our InsigniaTrader platform tutorial series. In this video, I'll be covering the charting features in the platform. Let's get started. As you can see here, we have a chart already open. It's for the micro E-mini S&P, and right now it's set for the 1 minute bars, but you have different time periods here that are preset. So if you want to view a 5 minute or a 15 minute, that'll change. Let's actually open this up a little more so we can see it better. I'll go like that and bring this up. Okay. So when working with the charts, again, you can use these predefined time periods, but you could also set your own. So you could set it for, let's say you wanted to see a bar that represents 4 days. You could type that in. Let's say you want it to be minutes, 4 minutes, 4 hours, or even ticks. So you could change all of that, and then if you click save, it'll change the layout. Cancel that out. Here we have the order placement for charts. So again, this will be preset to sell the market, buy at the market, and you can change the quantity here by using the plus or minus buttons here, or if you double click within the field, you could type in a quantity. Buy market will then bring up the order entry window. It'll be pre-filled out for you. Just review it, make sure everything looks good, and then you click the submit button and the order's filled. You'll get your confirmation notices here in the top right corner. You could X out of those, and now you are in the trade. If you want to exit the trade, you could do so from the charts section here by clicking the exit. What this will do will cancel any working orders you may have working. So let's say you had put a stop on that order. It will cancel the stop and at the same time exit or liquidate the position you just entered, which was the meaning of flatten here. So click yes. And again, you'll get a confirmation up here letting you know that they were sold. And you could clear out of those. To hide the trading in charts, just click this icon here. This is what toggles it on and off. The chart features also has some drawing features. So let's say you want to draw a line. You click this paintbrush and click line, and then you can draw a line wherever you'd like. You can zoom in or out with these magnifying glasses, just clicking them. And you can change some settings as far as the grid color, the background color, what type of grid it is, if it's a dotted line, a dashed line, a solid line. So all of that is customizable. If you set this up and you want to use this for all of your charting, when you're done setting up, click Save as Default. That will mean that any new chart you open will use these same parameters that you've set in here. If you only want it for this chart, just click the Save button, and those changes will only apply to the chart you're working with, not for any new charts that you open up with. Down below, you can see we have indicators here. So right now, we have the MACD, but you could add additional indicators by clicking the indicators. And you can, so this will show you what's currently there. So again, MACD is on the chart. You could change the settings for the MACD if you want to change the parameters. You could again do some customization of how it looks. You could actually set up some formulas here if you're inclined. And then once that's all done, click Save. I'm going to cancel out of here. If you want to remove it, you would just click the trash icon and that will remove the indicator. If If you want to add other indicators, click the add button. And you could scroll through alphabetically. There's a lot in here. There's about 500. So if you know what you're looking for, you can type it in the search field up here. So for example, if you're looking for an exponential moving average, you could type in EMA. Again, scroll through the list. It'll greatly narrow the list down. Here it is. Click to add it. Firstly, it will bring up the parameters of the time period. Again, you could change that. There's going to be a free preset for you, or if you double click, you can manually type in any number you'd like. And when you have that done, click save. And now you'll see that it has been added to your indicators. So now you have 2 indicators on the chart. Click save again. And now this green line is the exponential moving average we just added. So that is working with charts. Our next tutorial will discuss how to customize and change settings in the InsigniaTrader platform. Hope you join in.